Ready to ditch After Effects for good and clear up some space on your PC? First things first, click the Windows Start button, usually found at the bottom left of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. The Control Panel, a window filled with system settings, should now appear. Inside the Control Panel, locate and click on Programs and Features. This is a section that lists all the installed software on your computer. A list of installed programs will appear. Scroll through this list until you find Adobe After Effects or the Adobe Creative Cloud entry related to After Effects. Click once on the appropriate entry to select the program. A Uninstall option should now appear above the program list or in the menu bar. Click Uninstall. The Adobe After Effects uninstaller will start. Follow the on-screen prompts. Be sure to select any options that offer to remove program preferences or any linked files to ensure a clean removal once the uninstall process is complete. It is a good idea to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's it. Adobe After Effects is now uninstalled from your PC. You successfully freed up space and cleared away all its associated files. If you had any issues, make sure you've closed all Adobe applications during the Uninstall and restart your machine.